Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Before we started, make sure to subscribe to my channel, thank you. The 2023 Hyundai Santa Fe is expected to be available in Canada, offering Canadian consumers a versatile and stylish SUV option. The Santa Fe is a popular model in Canada, known for its spacious and comfortable interior, advanced safety features, and impressive fuel efficiency. The 2023 Santa Fe will feature a new design, with a bold and sporty look that is sure to turn heads on the road. The Santa Fe will be available in several trim levels, including the base SE, SEL, SEL Plus, and Limited. Under the hood, the 2023 Santa Fe will be available with a choice of powertrains. The base engine is a 2.5-liter four-cylinder that produces 191 horsepower and 181 pound-feet of torque, paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission. For those looking for more power, the Santa Fe will also be available with a 2.5-liter turbocharged four-cylinder engine that produces 277 horsepower and 311 pound-feet of torque. This engine is paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission. The Santa Fe will also be available in a hybrid version, which combines a gas engine with an electric motor, and a larger battery pack that can be charged by plugging it into an electric power source. The hybrid version of the Santa Fe features a 1.6-liter turbocharged four-cylinder engine paired with an electric motor, which is powered by a larger 9.8 kWh lithium-ion polymer battery. Together, the gas engine and electric motor produce 227 horsepower and 258 pound-feet of torque. The hybrid system is paired with a 6-speed automatic transmission with a sport shift mode, allowing the driver to manually shift gears. In terms of safety, the 2023 Santa Fe will be loaded with advanced safety features as standard equipment, such as automated emergency braking, lane keeping assist, and a rearview camera. Higher trim levels will also offer features such as blind spot monitoring, rear cross-traffic alert, and a surround view camera system. The Santa Fe will also come with a variety of advanced technology features, such as an 8-inch touchscreen display, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatibility, and a premium sound system. Higher trim levels will also offer features such as a panoramic sunroof, a heads-up display, and a wireless charging pad for compatible devices. Hyundai's reputation for quality and reliability is well established in Canada, and the Santa Fe is no exception. The Santa Fe comes with a 5-year, 100,000 km comprehensive warranty and a 5-year, 100,000 km powertrain warranty, which gives Canadian consumers peace of mind when it comes to their vehicle's longevity and durability. In conclusion, the 2023 Hyundai Santa Fe is expected to be a popular choice among Canadian consumers, offering a combination of style, performance, and advanced features. The Santa Fe will be available in several trim levels with a choice of powertrains, and is expected to be a well-rounded, reliable, and efficient vehicle. Its advanced safety features and advanced technology options, as well as the warranty offered by Hyundai, make it a great option for Canadian buyers. Thanks for watching, give a like and share to your friends. See you in the next video.